Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your courage. I can't thank you enough. So today's update is a wonderful one, and I'm going to touch a lot of areas. This video today comprises of a lot of aspects, right from Anambra to what is going on, to the demolition of Biafra goods, Biafra word, Biafra property. You are going to see it in this video. And again, in this update as well, I bring before you the Eastern Security Network. As you can see, these things you just see here, they are human. They are not just glass, or they are not just green leaves. They are human, and I'm going to release the video for you to watch. Then we are going to come back to analyze it one after the other. So hopefully you enjoyed the clip and got some message or some lesson for it. Thank you so much, and I'll be right back.
Eleka state capital ụbọchị eto. Eleka ibe ka anyị na-abụ n'Ọka every day. Ndị na mgbago welu na mgbede. Be Ọka, eke Ọka. Anazi nwere ibe na azọti atọ, nwere ibe na-ekpoche. Ịbata na ezi Ọka bụ mess. Nene ka Ọka dị. Biko nụ nene ka Ọka dị. You are very Kaka. 6th Avenue. Ele called from Amobia to Agwaka. I'm not a banner, Koche. Day in, day out, elect or cut. Look at the cannon. Is in a little letter. Hey. Sixth Avenue was a dump site. And I have we are based Yorka. And what if I but what if I answer? The Babunonia will drop 5 years. You will compete the Kiara. Ele keep it well basic. Men are capital.
But check this. This is tell you is pure attack on Igbo.
Yes.
They have been targeted.
Yes.
And this is the first sample. And another one is coming. I'm telling an average Igbo man, open your eyes, advise you. If you keep on waiting, the next one might be deadly more than this. They might be telling you that it's earthquake. Yes. Because they know how to camouflage. Only God knows that Nigeria is not one. Being a Nigeria is a problem. Let's now sit and talk. But we should start that up from myself. I'm going to advise our people. Stop investing in West. Stop investing in North. I can invest in South. If Sunday and attack me, then we cannot fight. But here, look at the damages. Toxic, I still inside there. Go and check. Look at the government doing anything. But look at the uniform. Go back. Look at code. I see they are not doing anything. Wait, I do mean to be on the other side of Nigeria. You see governors, you see things. This is only one action. Look at the damage. This is destruction on Igbo's property. They have attacked Igbos. The whole world have known that Igbos is no more safe in Nigeria. Igbos are no more safe in Nigeria. So the best is we can now sit and talk. No, that we are about to go. They are not the one holding us. We are the one that will decide to go. Yes. If I decide to go to Anambra, my state, you can't hold me to be in Lagos. Yes, so I'm only advising other Igbos, go back to your home. Our leader.
So, I know that some people will be wondering and say, ha, what is going on? Who are these people? What is happening? What are they celebrating? What is going wrong? These are Eastern Security Network. According to the report, they said Eastern Security Network snappers getting ready for deployment on various locations in Biafra land against the Fulanese herdsmen and terrorists coming into Biafra land during the night hour. IPOB, Eastern Security Network, believes that it's only one decision we Biafra need to make. It's rather we are working for Biafra freedom or we are accepting being slaves and in bondage in our own home. It is an unfortunate fact that the only way to secure peace in Biafra land is only by preparing for war. Since that's the only way acceptable by international communities, Biafra land must be defended. So this is the little update that followed this clip that you are watching about the Eastern Security Network. And some persons were saying that why are they showcasing the Eastern Security Network, being that the federal government of Nigeria don't want to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that all these things, they are going to hold these things against him and all that. So what is your take? And now they just released and said that Biafra land is only by preparing for war. Are you really sure that we really or they are really preparing for this war that we have been shouting? Is there any evidence for you seeing that of a truth Biafrans are preparing for war? Anyways, I don't really want to say much. Please do well to drop your opinion in the comment section, what you think about everything that you've watched in this particular update today. I will be in the comment section to read all your comments and to respond to you. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you for your support. Please share this video. Thank you and bye bye.